In today's video, I have an unboxing from FragranceNet. We're gonna unbox 3 fragrances today. One is an inspiration of Armani Stronger With You. The other one is an inspiration of Prada L'Homme, which is a great iris scent. And the other one is Lattafa scent. We all love Lattafa, so stay tuned to see what those 3 scents are. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is the 411. My name is Dwayne, but my friends call me Dash. Today I have an unboxing for you from FragranceNet. I picked up 3 fragrances. I ordered this sometime in December, but it did come kind of late. I was gonna give one of these as a Christmas gift, but due to the time frame, I had to improvise and come up with something else. So guys, I'm in Canada, so it does take a while to ship from FragranceNet. They do ship from the States, and I'm here in Canada. What works best for me is Fragrance Buy because they're about an hour away from where I live, so I get sometimes same day, maybe even 2-day shipping. But you know what? Fragrance Buy didn't have these scents, so I went to FragranceNet and I picked up 3 scents that I thought were at a good price, but also fragrances I thought I needed in my collection, all right? The first one's called Perri Unpredictable You, which, as you can tell, is going to be a Stronger With You inspiration or clone, all right? The next one is Ajmal Evoke Gold. Now this one's going to be an inspiration of Prada L'Homme. And the other one is Lattafa. This one is not an inspiration. This is just a royal blends. From my previous reviews, this seemed to be more of a feminine lean-in type of scent. Unisex, I hear, but more so also feminine lean-in. So we're going to see what my impressions are on all 3 scents, and we'll see what I do with the royal blends. I'm thinking I might give that to my lady because from the note breakdown, it looks like something that she may enjoy, all right? So stay tuned and we'll get into the unboxing. Been really anticipating this package, guys, really anticipating it. Hopefully it's well worth the wait. Here we go, here we go. Okay, let's start over here. There we have Ajmal Evoke Gold. All right, sorry for the reflection there. Really cool packaging. Looks almost like Mason Alhabra's Kismet, almost at the front. You got your details at the back. Okay. This one is supposed to be the Prada L'Homme, inspired by fragrance. This is a 90 ml, by the way. It's not 100 ml, so 90 ml. Ooh, this looks pretty interesting. Here is the Lattafa's Royal Blends, or Kaltat Al Arabia. All right, so this is the fragrance I thought would be a little bit more feminine, lean-in. Eau de Parfum, 100 mls. Prestige, Lattafa Prestige. All right, I like the packaging on this one, guys. This one looks really good. Put that there. And lastly, we have Unpredictable You, which is going to be the Stronger With You inspiration fragrance. All right. I haven't really heard much about the house of Perri. We do have a couple of other fragrances, nothing that really interests me as much as this one. And aside from that, you get the usual ads from FragranceNet. This might be my second or third one of these. All right, little samples there. And I believe that's everything. All right, guys, we're gonna kick this video off with the one that I've been anticipating the most, and that is Perri's Unpredictable You. All right, so as mentioned, it's supposed to be a Stronger With You, inspired by fragrance. Now, I don't know if it's Stronger With You intensely, the original, or absolutely, but I'll give you guys my impression, let you guys know what I think of Perri's Unpredictable You. All right, there we go. Perri's Unpredictable You. As mentioned, they have a lot of different fragrances in the Perri line. You could find them mainly at FragranceNet. I did see a few on Fragrance Buy, but they didn't have Unpredictable You, so hence why I had to hit up FragranceNet. All right, little authenticity sticker there as well. All right. So guys, let's get this bad boy open. Let's get it on skin. I'll let you guys know what I think of this one. Packaging is okay. Now the bottle is semi-different, all right? The bottle is slightly different. Take a look at that, guys. The juice color looks very similar to Stronger With You, the original. Intensely and Absolutely is slightly darker. All right. Now it does kind of, if you see that bottle's on an angle, so it sits up like that on your table or on your dresser, wherever you keep your colognes. All right. There's the sprayer on top. Okay. We got some information on the bottom. Now guys, there's not much information about this Perri scent. No breakdowns. It's pretty much, I don't know where to even look for no breakdowns. I've scoured the internet. All right, so let's get this on skin. Get a few sprays. Atomizer seems kind of weird, huh? All right, let's go. That's pretty close. That's pretty close to my Stronger With You Intensely. Not as heavy, not as dense as Stronger With You Intensely. Okay, I like it. I like it. It puts you in the realm of Stronger With You Intensely. Again, I haven't tried the original. I've tried Absolutely. This is more closer to Intensely instead of Absolutely. Maybe it actually is supposed to be more closer to the original Stronger With You. I like it. I have to see how this does as far as performance, because it's not as heavy Stronger With You. Stronger With You Intensely is such a dense amber, caramel, some black pepper up top. Toffee's in there as well. This is actually a little bit more fresher, which makes me think this is more so Stronger With You, the original inspiration. We're getting similar vibes. I will do a full review on this one. I'm worried about the projection though. I don't know if it's going to project well. I don't know how it's going to last as far as its performance. With Stronger With You Intensely, it's almost like a room filler. When you spray that, you're going to smell it 3 feet away. This one, I'm not getting the same kind of projection. All right, so off first reaction, off initial impressions, I'm gonna give Perri's Unpredictable You an 8 out of 10. Not quite a 10 out of 10 scent like Stronger With You Intensely is, but it does capture the DNA. Slightly more fresher, not as dense and deep as Stronger With You Intensely, but definitely does a good job at replicating and giving you that same vibe, that same feel. So 8 out of 10 for Perri's Unpredictable You. Now guys, next on the list is Ajmal Evoke Gold. Now I've wanted this scent for a very long time. This was on Fragrance Buy for some time and then it disappeared. It got sold out and it took them forever to restock. So when I did see the last restock, I wanted to purchase multiple fragrances and I waited like 2 or 3 days and by that time it was gone. So luckily FragranceNet did have it, slightly better price as well, but here it is. Ajmal Evoke Gold. Now guys, as you know, as I mentioned, this is a interpretation of Prada L'Homme, okay? The classic Iris Gentleman scent. So let's see if this replicates and does what it's supposed to do, all right? Let's get this one open and we'll get it on skin as well. So you got some gold dust on the package there at the front. Nothing on the sides. We do have Evoke on this side here. We got the house, Ajmal on top. We got some fragrance details at the bottom. And information on the back. All right. So guys, this is a 90 ml in eau de parfum. Let's see if this does what it's supposed to do and give us a feel of Prada L'Homme. Now this bottle is different. That's what I'm gonna say. This bottle is different. All right, I'm actually gonna hold it by the front. There we go. How do you guys like that? All gold. I like this bottle presentation, guys. I don't have anything all gold on my table as of yet. This is definitely gonna sit very well in my collection, so I'm definitely loving the bottle there. Okay. Let's see, cap, very light cap, plastic cap, you know, nice finish as far as the gold atomizer as well. All right, let's get this on skin and see what we're dealing with. Prime it. Okay, pretty good atomizer. Okay, bit of an alcohol blast. Let's get the cap on. Bit of an alcohol blast so far. Okay guys, so it is given the powdery iris vibe you're supposed to get from Prada L'Homme. It is kind of loud. It is actually jumping off my skin right now. So I'm thinking performance on this is going to be pretty okay. With Prada L'Homme, the performance isn't that great. So I'm actually enjoying this so far. As far as the oils, can you see that on my skin? It's actually latched onto my skin pretty well. Slightly earthy, a bit of a green touch there. So there's a lot happening with this one. This one is actually a lot going on. Seems a bit more complex. It seems a little bit more complex than Prada L'Homme actually. But so far I'm loving the vibe. The vibe is pretty good. I'm in that realm of Prada L'Homme. Not quite exact, it's not one-to-one. But man, that iris is there, and that's pretty much what I was looking for, an iris dominant scent, and this definitely does have it. And guys, I think this is definitely office safe. I'm getting a fresh peppery vibe off top. Very clean, very elegant, peppery vibe with a little bit of iris with some slight sweetness in there. Definitely a gentleman scent. This one is actually doing pretty good so far, guys. I'm feeling this one. This one actually is probably the better out of the two so far, but we'll keep going to see what Royal Blends looks like. Must be some cedarwood in here. It's woody, but like a pine woody type of scent. Definitely office friendly, definitely dressed up or dressed down. So I will say it's pretty versatile. I'm gonna say more so for the spring and summer months. Maybe you could push this into fall if you go a little bit more heavy. I'm very curious on projection. Let's see what projection is like. I wanna see what performance is like on this one as well. But so far I like it. I like it. It gives the Prada L'Homme vibe. It puts you in that realm of Prada L'Homme. Seems to be a little bit more complicated or more complex than Prada L'Homme. And so far it's projecting a bit more than Prada L'Homme as well. So as far as Ajmal Evoke Gold, I gotta give this one a 7.5 out of 10. 7.5 out of 10 for Ajmal Evoke Gold. Very close to an 8 though, guys, very close to an 8. Okay. And I move on to our last bottle here. This one is Lattafa's Royal Blend, aka Khaltat Al Arabia. All right. As I mentioned, guys, this is supposed to be a nice, sweet, unisex scent. A lot of sweet fruits. Seen very good reviews on this one as well. The box is really nice as well, guys. The box is very nice. Check that out. Some kind of bamboo or wood type of background there. Prestige on top. So Lattafa has Prestige and they have Pride. All right, Pride will be Nebras, Eternal Oud, and I'm guessing Prestige. Oh, another gold bottle. It's looking good so far. Let's get this out. Oh man. That bottle is stunning, guys. The juice color is pretty nice as well. So far I'm liking what I see. Let's see if we could find some place to spray this. Cap is another plastic cap, but very nicely done. It's a little bit more heavier than the Ajmal Evoke Gold, and also gold atomizer. Loving this gold theme, guys. This gold theme is doing it for me. We have Lattafa at the bottom. And let's just double check to make sure. Yep, we have the sticker of authenticity, because it looks like maybe some of these clone houses are getting cloned as well. Off the atomizer. Pretty good. Let's give us a few sprays here. Very good atomizer, guys. This atomizer is probably one of the best out of the 3 bottles so far. Okay, I like this. I really do like this. Definitely unisex. I could see my girl wearing this. Slight bit of alcohol blast on top, but nothing too crazy. You know, again, these fragrances are under $30, mostly under $30. So, you know, give that open in maybe about 10 to 30 seconds and the alcohol blast dissipates. Okay guys, so in the opening, I get fruits. I get sweet fruits, not overly sweet, but definitely like sweet fruits with like a layer of like honey or something. It's very nicely done. It's slightly dense as well, sweet, slightly dense. I could see that denseness making it a little bit more masculine, but again, I have to say this is definitely unisex, maybe even more so feminine leaning. This is really good, guys. This is really good. Definitely attractive. This is gonna be very mass appealing. For the price point, I'm glad I picked this up. Again, I don't know if it's gonna be for me. Like I mentioned, I might give this to my lady. I think she would be in love with this. It's sweet, but it's heavy enough where it could actually cut through the cold. I could see this being a all year round type of scent. I could see this being a summer, winter, and fall scent. I'll probably say in the summer, just go a little bit more lighter on the trigger. That sweetness seems like it could be kind of cloying if it's overdone, but I believe it'll perform in the cooler weather as well. Now there's some spices in there as well. Don't know what kind of spices, but there's some spices in there. Looks like there's some amber and some nice woods also. It's giving me sandalwood. I always go for sandalwood whenever something is kind of creamy and soft as far as the woods are concerned. And this may be mixed with amber and sandalwood. Guys, this one's really good. This one is really good. This on me, I'll say an 8 out of 10 on me. I think on my lady, this might be a 10 out of 10. I think if this reacts with her skin chemistry, this could be a 10 out of 10 scent on your partner. So guys, if you're looking for something to get your girlfriend for, you know, a gift, I think this would definitely be a good one. Mass appealing. I think men and women will like this. You like it on her, she'll like it on you. It's not too feminine where you can pull this off, but for me, I think I have enough sweet fragrances in my collection where I could actually give this one to her. But overall, very, very good, very good. I'm gonna give Lattafa's Royal Blends an 8 out of 10. The price point is good, the scent is good, the bottle presentation is great as well, as you see there. All we need to do is test out, like I mentioned, projection, performance, that type of stuff. But overall, I really do like this. I like all 3 of these scents, guys. Again, when you blind buy off websites, you don't know what you're gonna get. It could be hit, could be miss. And I'm gonna say all 3 of these are hidden, all right? So guys, thank you so much for staying tuned with me. Thanks for coming back. You can be anywhere in the world, but you're here with me. Definitely appreciate that. For more fragrance videos, make sure you check out my catalog. If you like what you see, definitely drop me a like, definitely subscribe if you like what you see. Of course, it's all up to you. Hope you guys are staying safe, staying blessed, and of course, smelling good. If you didn't see it before, I'll say it now. Happy New Year's to all of you. Hope you guys have a blessed and prosperous 2023. And I'll see you guys in the next video, all right? Peace.